Hey y'all, it's Healthy and I'm back and I'm better like never before. And today's video is basically just reinstalling a wig that we've already installed. I feel like there's a million tutorials on the internet of installing a wig, but of course those are new, so it's like you got a clean slate to work off of. So my subby wanted me to basically come on here and show y'all how I, reapply wigs that I've already applied before. So yeah, we're just gonna get into that. I didn't go step by step. I just basically showed you what I do because it's kind of like no way I can teach you. You kind of just got to get a feel for it, if that makes sense. Because it's definitely trial and error. It's definitely something that you have to get used to. Even in myself, I'm not sure if I cut it out, but I had to peel my wig up and put it back down just because the placement isn't always the same. So yeah, you all let me know what you guys think and enjoy this video. Bye.
This, I won't even try. I don't know why we tried. I don't know why we tried. I see tears up in your eyes. I can make it all better. I can make it.
Okay, hey y'all. So the first step to reviving my wig is just me basically cleaning it. I don't shampoo my wig. What I do is take a pot, take some silicone mix them together, and then put them over the stove. I let the water boil, and then I'll start to, add my hair. I just put a couple scoops of the silicone mix in and mix it up. The lace is all gooey. The glue is still on. Like, it's just all tacky. You see how it's just tacky? So, by doing this, it'll get all of that gunk that you see up. It'll make it nice and loose and easy for me to just peel off. It'll just make it so much easier versus me having to scrub and the whole nine. So I get silicone mix from Walmart. I think it's like $6 or $7. You'll buy it from the beauty supply store. It really don't matter where. It's all the same. Like, you just look it up. Just search it. They do have shampoo, but I don't use this shampoo. I clean my wigs with conditioner. Don't judge my stove. I was cooking, y'all. Sorry. But, yeah. So here I am just taking the conditioner, mixing it in with the water. Once it boils, kind of melt down, but I try to make it as loose as possible because I want to make sure that the conditioner is all throughout the water so it gets all throughout the hair. It just revives the hair. Like, this is the best trick in the book. If they ain't told y'all about this, y'all sleep. Or if y'all don't know about this, y'all sleep. So basically, now I'm just going to put the wig into the water mixture. I want to make sure that all of the hair is inside and soaking up all of that water, that conditioner, all the good juices, the good stuff. I'm pushing it, the whole entire wig, make sure it's all soaked. And then I'm going to let it sit for a minute. I really don't let it boil. Once it reaches a boil, I don't really leave it boiling just because I be a little scared that some hair can't take the type of heat. But good hair can take the type of heat, and this is good hair. So I just got my tongues. And I let it sit in the boiling water mixture. And I probably let it sit for like 30 minutes. And then eventually I just rinse it out, blow dry it, and it's back to luxury. Okay, it's back. It's back. Okay. And y'all already know, every install I oil my hair with Wild Growth. This is what basically made my hair take off when I did my big chop. So I'm super happy with that product. I oil my scalp with it every time I do an install. So the rest of this portion is basically what you guys have already seen. It's nothing really new. So I think I'll just check back in when I'm installing the wig, say whatever I got to say about that, and just let y'all enjoy. I mean, yes, I just hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you're enjoying it already, even though it just got started, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe because your girl's working hard. Your girl's working hard.
You're such a man. You got the whole world in your hands, but you be playing, fucking all the girls she can't stand. Bitches and hoes, so many bitches and hoes, but they don't know. I bet they don't even know.
So here, this is actually a new trick I've learned within the last couple of months. I forgot who I seen do it, but I know that they start cutting at the ear, and they leave that little elastic piece that's connected to the cap on, and just pull it backwards so that the cap doesn't come up. I always cut the whole thing off, and then the cap eventually rises in the back, because I do not like sewing my caps down. I do not want to have to cut any thread out. It's just too much extra. I feel like that's the luxury of having a wig. You don't have to deal with sew-ins. So that's a good little tip and trick I've learned since, installing my wigs. And I like to use 91% alcohol because it'll get all the makeup up. As you'll see on the little cotton swab I have that it gets all the makeup off. The other percentages is fine, but I like to get the strongest, especially because I used it in my kit. So, that's just what I had also. But I pretty much use 91% alcohol for everything. So this came in handy getting all of that makeup off so my wig can stick. And it's been some days, about 4 or 5 days, and my wig is still on. So it's doing me goody. And then I'm using Boho Active. Y'all know that's my fave. I was running out. I was super pissed, but I made it work for the video. Also, if you see me doing weird movements like that clap, it's because I was trying to do a TikTok. I was trying to be productive, y'all. I always do my makeup and do my wigs and forget to make TikToks. I'm super bad, so I was trying to be productive. So all of these little movements y'all might see me doing while I'm installing my wig is because I was filming TikTok at the same time. So don't even mind them. Y'all know I'm kind of cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. As far as placing the actual lace, my strategy is really to just pull the lace as far as I can. I'd rather my lace be more forward than back, because when you leave glue that's basically unattended, there's no lace on it, it gets really dirty, it gets really icky, like it's just nasty. So my strategy is to just pull the lace forward and cut off whatever is in glue if it's too tiny to glue. If it's not too tiny to glue, I just add a couple layers and stick it down. But yeah, that's really the method to my madness when it comes to reinstalling my wigs. It's pretty easy. I just line it up and then tie it down, and when I take it off, it be melted and we be good. So don't stress about it. Just pull it forward far enough to where it covers the glue, and you could just always go in and add. It's better to go in and add than to have to try to clean something up. Of course, there's ways to clean it. I just rather not deal with that headache. So I just pull my wig all the way up.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, ride and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride at it. shorty off a FinStar. Just the one on really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside
in an AMG, right outside TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a FinStar. Just the one on really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
So as far as finishing touches, I really didn't flat iron my hair. I really just left it blow dry, kind of and wavy how I had it, because I knew that for the next video I was going to have it curly anyway, so I didn't even stress about that. I pretty much just pressed it out off camera, did my part, you know, the middle, the concealer, sprayed it, made it really sleek, and then just tied my hair down, and that was about it. So yeah, I didn't do anything after this, so you didn't miss anything. So yeah, that just wraps up my little routine. So y'all, basically this is the final look. I don't know why it's looking gray right there, because it's definitely not gray in person. But yeah, y'all, this is how I reinstall my units. On the times that I'm not replacing the whole lace, this is how I reinstall it. I'm so cute. But thanks, Abby, for suggesting this video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the voiceover. I'm not really too good with voiceovers, but I'm not gonna style the wig for real until the next video, because that's gonna be my next influencer look. So there's really no point in styling it, because I'm gonna shoot that tomorrow. But this is how I reinstall, and I think it came out goody. Let me know if y'all like the little silicone mix trick. I'm definitely not the one that created that, but that is definitely a staple of my routine. Me and all my people do it. We just boil out. Like, I wish you could feel how luscious this is. I don't wash my weave, I just boil it in silicone mix. It's like a co-wash, but an intense co-wash. It just revives it, and I know y'all could tell how healthy this hair looks. Like, I know y'all could tell. So yeah, she's getting real healthy. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a like, share, subscribe, all that good shit, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.